Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. I got up a little early today because I had to have some blood work done. No worries, just some routine stuff. I was supposed to have this done a few months ago, but yeah, I procrastinated. But there was three lovely ladies at the blood draw place. Yeah, I don't have a problem with needles, not at all. All right, last night I went super simple, super easy, and it's to me it's almost like comfort food, and that was a baked red sweet potato with all the goodies, my goodies, butter, salt and pepper, sautéed onions, a little bit of garlic, sour cream, salsa. I did a Mexican blend, shredded cheese, salsa, and of course, one of my favorites, pickled jalapenos. Yeah. Tonight is Veggie Thai Red Curry. The veggie dish. Remember, I did a whole week of veggie dishes. This is a new one. I love Thai food. I absolutely do. And I'm working on my Thai recipes. I really am. So, but this one caught my eye. Yeah. Let's just get to it. Champion is out. I'm doing this over brown rice, because that's why the square baking dish is out. So I got square, good old champion, and for the vegetables, red bell pepper, yellow onion, Roma tomato, ginger, broccoli. Oops, forgot the garlic. There's the garlic. Matchstick carrots. Yes, I cheat. Sorry. I decided to go. I had frozen cauliflower, so in the freezer, so I'm using the frozen. Remember, the fresh is best, then frozen, then canned. Fresh, frozen, canned. There is nothing wrong with frozen vegetables. Nada. Yeah, sometimes I prefer them over fresh because just of the ease. All right, let's get back to it. So, cauliflower, the recipe initially calls for kale, but then you can substitute baby spinach. So I'm using baby spinach. And for the wok, a little bit of oil, some good old coconut milk, soy sauce, lime juice. This is the big Thai part of it, red curry paste. Be careful when you're buying red curry paste because, not really careful, but this has lasted me quite a long time, and I actually used more than most recipes call for. This is a good one. I got this at the Super X down on Northville Road in Linda, California. Initially, the recipe actually calls for technically syrup. I'm using brown sugar. I like to taste better brown sugar for sweetener in Oriental dishes. This uses a little bit of water, and there's the brown rice. So there's all the goodies. For tonight's dinner. I got a bunch of prep, but that's okay. Practice makes perfect. I put my headphones on and I just go at it, and it's therapy for me. I enjoy doing prep. Because like an old friend of mine, I don't know if he's an old friend, but a friend of mine who's a world-class chef basically says, just work on your skills. So I continue to work on my knife skills. It's not speed, it's accuracy. Yeah. So on this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.